How to put digital creator on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, you want to check whether you are using the latest version of Facebook app or not. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Facebook and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch it. You will land to the home page. Now you have to head towards the profile page. So go ahead and click on the profile picture given at the top left corner. Once you land to the profile page, now over here you will find three dots. Click on it. You will land to the profile settings page. Over here you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of turn on professional mode. Open it. Now click on Turn On. Finish setting up your profile, review privacy settings, connect with your audience, establish your presence. Once you fulfill all these, you will be good to go. Professional mode will be enabled in your Facebook account. Now you can head back. Just refresh your Facebook profile page. And with that, you will be able to find this option of Profile Digital Creator in your profile page. Well, this is how you can easily put digital creator on Facebook profile. Facebook allows its digital creator to upload content in stories, reels, and live videos. They can interact with other users directly on app. Digital creators on Facebook can work with brands to sponsorship, partnership, giveaways, takeovers, and collaborations to represent products and services. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily put digital creator on Facebook profile. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.